Hi everybody, welcome, assalamu alaikum. Welcome back once again to Technology Information channel. Today we are going to explain the complete wiring diagram and also the key features, key buttons of the DFC 4610 and 4620. Okay, this is the DFC controller, the front view. We have some buttons and display. As you can see, we have a segment display, and also as you can see two navigation arrow buttons. Okay, it's used to enter in a main menu, to click these buttons. And we have a red button, it is used to stop the generator and also rest the sum occurring on RAM. Okay, after that we have a red button, it is used for the auto operational mode. This controller is also used in a generator auto start and stop mode. Okay, also as you can see, the green button is start for the manually start. When you if you want to start your generator manually, press rest all alarm, and after that press the green button, your generator will start. Okay, now let's move to explain the wiring diagram. Let me show. Go to on a practical wiring diagram. Stay continuous. Thank you. Hi and assalamu alaikum. Welcome back once again to Technology Information channel. Today in this video we are going to explain and drawing the diagram of the DFC 4610 4620 DFC controller, which is used for the generator start and stop and also monitoring the parameter of your generator set. Before the starting the video, a small request: if you are first time on my channel, please make sure to subscribe my channel and hit the bell notification to getting more latest update videos. So let's get started and how to rewire the DFC controller and how the connection of the DFC controller pin out and pin in. So let's get started. As you can see here, we have a battery plant supply. Okay, one is for the battery negative input, one is the battery positive input. How to connect this one? You need, first of all, if for example this is your battery, okay, this is the positive post and this is your negative post. Okay, you need to give the supply to this controller to make this secure for short circuit, for burning, for damaging. Okay, you need to give the negative directly to the negative. Okay, and positive you need to take some fuse. Okay, then some circuit breaker. Okay, and then provided this supply to the controller. Okay, 2 ampere fuse and 5 ampere circuit breakers. Okay, then is your fuel out and crank out. Okay, you need to control these two things from the emergency push button. Okay, for example, this is your emergency push button. Okay, you need to take supply from the positive post, okay, and give to the emergency NC. Okay, and then provide it to pin number 3. Okay, as you can see, pin number 3, and this pin 3 and pin 4 is out for the fuel relay, and also pin 4 is out for the crank relay. Okay, you can only control through the pin 3 out and pin 4 out only relays of the starter motor relays or the fuel relays. Okay, to turning on the fuel relay or to turning on the fuel stop and start solenoid. Okay, and pin number 4 you need to control the crank relay. Okay, pin number 5 is used for the charging alternator. Okay, your charging alternator have 2 terminals. Okay, some type of W, some type have a L. Okay, you can connect this 5 directly to W or L. That's used for the warning. okay, and also showing your battery voltage on a DFC controller screen. Okay, after that, pin 10, pin 11, pin 12 and pin 13, this is all used for the sensor, like a oil pressure sensor. This is our, for example, temperature sensor. Okay, our temperature sensor have two wires. One is grounded, okay, one is directly coming to pin 10. Okay, also we have oil pressure sensor like this type. Okay, oil pressure sensor have two wires. Okay, one is grounded and one is directly coming to pin 10, and also you can install in another sensor. And also the finally last is you can ground all sensor ground and then provide it to pin 13. Okay, after that, as you can see, pin 14, 15, 16 and 17, this is the configurable input which is showing on a controller, like some fault is occurred in an engine or some warning is coming in engine. Okay, some sensor have warning. We have two type of sensor. One sensor is used for the switching purposes to prevent engine from the damaging. Okay, one type of sensor which is used for only to generate the alarm. Okay, this is the configurable input for the warning. Okay, also pin 6 and pin 7, it is used to, this is the MOSFET 5 volt positive output to control some valves or something, air shut off valve, or it is used only for the output supply to turning on and off something, some load. Okay, something small amount of current output 5 amperes. Okay, 5 volt. Okay, DC. After that, as you can see, pin 19, pin 18 and pin 20, this is the MPU input, MPU positive and negative, and also the pin 20 is MPU shield wire. Okay, after that, the generator 3 phases and 1 neutral. Here is, you can see, L1, L2, L3 and also neutral. Okay, U1, V1, W1 and neutral. Okay, and the last one, 29, 30, 31, 32, this is your current transformer input. We have 3 phases. Okay, 3 CTs, each CT have S1, S2. Okay, all S1 you need to provide it to each pin. Okay, and all S2 you need to jump together and provide it to pin 32. This is your DFC controller complete wiring. If you have any further question, please write comment below in comment section. Thanks for watching my video. See you all next time. Goodbye.